Lanyard loop for quick access. Perfect for damage-free hanging of hooks in offices, closets, schools and warehouses. Removable silicone adhesive allows for clean, easy removal. Operating temperature is -25 F to 125 F. Adhesive is high temperature, high humidity and UV resistant. One formula works outdoors, indoors and bathrooms. Top reviews from the United States. Bought to make a tablet holder for Mavic Air 2. Works awesome. Used item in an unconventional way, works well as a Mavic Air 2 tablet holder. Sticks to itself well. Awesome.